this is super simple LED driver. You will need voltage regulator LM317, and for fixed current one resistor, but I am gonna add trim pot of 50 ohms for desired current. We will need heatsink for the voltage regulator, one trim pot 50 ohms, one high power LED, and heatsink for the LED. Now we're gonna solder the trim pot. Now we're gonna solder some wires. This one is for the LED. This one is positive, where we're gonna connect the battery. We have soldered the LED. We're gonna add a heatsink to the voltage regulator and heatsink for the LED. Now we're gonna calculate it, how much current will pull this LED, and the LED is 1 watt divided by 3.3 volts equals 300 milliamps. And now we're gonna connect the positive wire from the battery, and in this moment the LED is pulling about 80-90 milliamps, and the desired current is 300 milliamps. The LED is corrupting my camera, and slowly set to 300 milliamps. Whoops, here we go, 300 milliamps, and it's working. And this is the ordinary light bulb. I connected all the wires, and the LED driver I'm gonna place it here and close up everything. Write in the comments below what you think about this super simple LED driver, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe.